Welcome as we celebrate a project that is going to preserve the very land that we're standing on today.
You know, when I think about this project, I think about its significance for this region's past, present, and future. We operated the Cheswick Power Generation Facility here for many, many years, employing many local residents.
I worked at Duquesne Light for 33 years. I was at Cheswick Power Station, took care of this property. I've even spilled some blood up here, so I'm in the earth. You're gonna filter me out, so I can't express it. I'm really excited about this.
For Duquesne Light to step up in this way and understand this vision. This is a story that can be told all over the country in this valley about how we revitalize these communities through projects like this.
To be able to do something that you know benefits not only the company that you're working for, but also for the community, for jobs, for economic development. It's just every single element of this project is a win.